Well, today on our By the Way segment, we've got a very special guest joining in. I know all of you must have been seeing the portal, the website for BankBazaar.com, and today we have the management joining in right here. So let's try and understand what this service is all about, what it really does, and more importantly, how do they actually end up making money. Adhil Shetty joins me in. He's the founder and CEO at BankBazaar right here in the studios. Adhil, good to chat with you. Thank you so much for taking time out. Now tell us, how does BankBazaar really work?
So BankBazaar helps people make better financial decisions. So let's say you're in the market for a home loan or a car loan or a fixed deposit. We give you one spot, right? So you come to our mobile app, you give us a few details, and we show you the exact customized quotes from 30 financial providers that you're eligible for. So that's basically the best offers that these institutions are willing to make to you. If you like what you see, you can go ahead and apply for that product on our platform, and we'll make sure that you have a great experience end-to-end on that particular product. So our value proposition to consumers is all banks, all products, one device, and you can consume at the click of a button. So that's the value we offer customers.
And how do you make money? Do these 30 banks pay you if I subscribe for a loan via BankBazaar?
That's exactly how it works, right? So, for example, we're clocking about 40 lakh visitors per month now. If we look at, a time in January 2014, when Sequoia had come into the company, we were doing 10 lakh visitors per month. Now, essentially, these people come to us because they trust us to give them the right neutral information, and then they apply and consume, and the bank pays us on the business we generate. Now, the interesting thing to note, right, is people always ask me the question saying, hey, if you're making a commission, how is the customer still getting the best deal? The answer to that question, right, is in any form that the financial institution or bank sells, there's a cost. So if you have a branch, there is physical infrastructure, there are people, there are costs to manage it and run it.
Yeah.
While when you do it online, right, we automate a lot of the processes that were otherwise paper-based. So we're able to generate savings in the entire supply chain because of automating processes of providing the financial product.
I can submit the papers for a loan that I'm trying to apply for? Is that what you're saying?
Interestingly, right, you can submit certain papers for the loan that you're applying for. So, for example, you can submit your PAN number, right, because it can be verified with NSDL. You can submit your Aadhaar number. You can submit your net banking statements. Now, very interestingly, right, one trend that's going through India is digitization of financial services. So, for example, today, right, Aadhaar eKYC is available. There's a new technology available called e-sign, with which you can actually virtually sign on a contract, and you don't need to put a physical signature. So today, right, we've been able to automate about 80% of the process that is required without paper, but still some documents are required in paper. For example, your KYC, your wet signature, and your land documents. But however, we're working very closely with our partners, right, to see how we can automate even those processes.
Oh, that'll be so amazing.
Absolutely, right? So imagine you were in a small town somewhere. You opened up your mobile phone. You saw 30 offers from 30 banks on a fixed deposit, a mutual fund, or from a home loan. You just, applied for it, and we could actually deliver the product to you on your phone, on your mobile wallet, for example. So I think the future is very exciting, and we believe that democratization of finance, right, is not about opening a branch in every village. It's about making sure that your mobile phone is your branch, and to deliver services paperless. So a lot of research, right, and Amazon had invested in the company last month. A lot of the investment is essentially being invested in research and engineering to enable paperless transactions.
That's great, Adhil. Good luck to you, and thanks for taking time out and speaking with us.
Thank you so much.
No mutual fund application forms, no mutual fund collection statements, no check deposit slips. Simply register with a BSE Star MF distributor for all mutual fund transactions. BSE Star MF.
एक शब्द सुनकर खुशियां बरसे।